Welcome to an exclusive look at the BMW M9 Concept, a car that pushes the boundaries of automotive design and performance. From the very first glance, you notice its aggressive stance, low-slung silhouette, and meticulously sculpted aerodynamic lines. Every curve, vent, and crease is designed for both aesthetics and ultimate performance. As we move closer, the front fascia reveals the signature illuminated BMW kidney grille, paired with razor-sharp LED headlights that cut through the light. The matte black and gloss carbon fiber exterior perfectly contrasts with the white showroom, emphasizing the car's futuristic and luxurious identity. Let's explore the bonnet in detail. The sculpted hood channels airflow efficiently while exuding strength and power. The BMW emblem sits proudly at the center, highlighted by soft ambient lighting. Slow zoom transitions emphasize its presence, capturing every texture and subtle reflection on the carbon fiber surface. Inside the cockpit, the driver-focused interior immediately commands attention. The flat-bottom steering wheel is wrapped in premium leather, with illuminated controls and paddle shifters integrated seamlessly. The fully digital curved instrument cluster provides real-time performance data, with a tachometer that pulses gently as the engine comes to life. Ambient lighting flows subtly throughout the cabin, highlighting the sculpted seats and carbon fiber trim, creating a luxurious and futuristic atmosphere. From the driver's POV, you can see the world through a rain-soaked windshield. Each raindrop refracts ambient light, adding depth to the cinematic experience. The interior's attention to detail becomes apparent, with every stitch, vent, and display meticulously crafted for both comfort and performance. Pressing the start button, the engine comes alive. The deep, powerful growl resonates through the cabin, accompanied by subtle vibrations that emphasize raw power. Transitioning to the rear, the dual carbon fiber exhaust pipes ignite, sending bursts of flame and sparks, a visual confirmation of the car's extreme capability. Through the interior POV, the flames reflect on the glossy surfaces, blending power and elegance seamlessly. Each exhaust flare is captured in slow motion, highlighting the mechanical beauty of the hypercar. Turning attention to the wheels, the tires spin in slow motion, spraying water off the polished showroom floor. The carbon fiber brake calipers and ventilated discs are fully visible, showcasing performance engineering at its finest. Reflections on the marble surface amplify the car's luxurious aura. Now let's step back and take in the full car in the showroom. Positioned at a slight 3/4 angle, the BMW M9 Concept demonstrates its full presence. Every line, contour, and detail is amplified by the ambient white and gold lighting. The polished marble floor mirrors the body's reflection, while the panoramic glass roof allows light to highlight the car's refined surfaces. Performance isn't just about looks. Beneath the hood, the hybrid turbocharged engine sits at the heart of the M9 Concept. Carbon fiber covers, metallic accents, and glowing LED elements emphasize advanced engineering. With each rev, heat waves shimmer over the components, while soft steam rises, creating a cinematic spectacle of power and precision. As we transition to a slow cinematic pan, notice the interplay between light and shadow across the bodywork. Matte surfaces absorb light while gloss elements reflect it, creating dynamic visual contrast. Every angle of the car tells a story of innovation, blending luxury, technology, and extreme performance. Returning inside, the cockpit remains the command center. Controls are intuitive, displays crisp, and materials unmatched. The integration of advanced tech and premium craftsmanship creates an environment where driver and machine communicate effortlessly. Finally, we take a last look at the BMW M9 Concept, a hypercar that embodies the future of automotive design. From its aggressive exterior to its meticulously crafted interior, from engine roar to exhaust flames, every detail contributes to an immersive, luxurious, and high-performance experience. This is more than a car, it's an experience, a statement, and a vision of what the future holds. Thank you for joining this journey through the BMW M9 Concept. Every angle, every feature, and every detail has been captured to give you a cinematic, immersive, and exclusive look at this masterpiece of engineering and design.